Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start selling commercial real estate with LoopNet detailed guide step by step clearly. To start selling commercial real estate with LoopNet, begin by creating an account on the LoopNet website. Visit loopnet.com and click on sign up in the top right corner. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Choose a strong password to protect your account. Once your account is set up, log in to access the features available to you. Familiarize yourself with the LoopNet interface by exploring different sections like listings, searches, and market research. Next, determine the type of commercial property you want to sell. Understand the characteristics of different commercial real estate types such as retail, office, industrial, or multifamily. Conduct thorough market research to identify current trends and property values in your chosen area. Analyze comparable properties to establish a competitive pricing strategy for your listings. Prepare your property's details, including its location, size, features, and any relevant financial information. Take high-quality photographs and, if possible, create a virtual tour of the property to enhance your listing. Navigate to the List of Properties section on LoopNet. Fill out all required fields with accurate and detailed information about the property you are selling. Upload the high-quality images and virtual tour you prepared. Review your listing for accuracy and completeness before submitting it for review. Once submitted, your listing will be reviewed by LoopNet's team to ensure it meets their guidelines. Upon approval, your listing will go live on LoopNet, making it visible to potential buyers. Utilize LoopNet's marketing tools to promote your listing further. Share your listing across social media platforms, real estate networks, and local community pages. Engage with potential buyers by answering inquiries promptly and offering additional information as needed. Monitor the performance of your listing through LoopNet's analytics tools to see how many views and inquiries it receives. Adjust your marketing strategy as necessary based on the feedback and performance metrics. As you receive inquiries and interest, be prepared to conduct property showings for potential buyers. Be knowledgeable about your property during these showings and ready to address any questions or concerns from buyers. Once you receive offers, negotiate effectively and keep communication transparent with prospective buyers. Once a buyer is secured and an agreement is reached, coordinate the necessary paperwork and legal processes to finalize the sale. Continue to educate yourself on commercial real estate trends and practices to enhance your selling skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.